and good morning. Okay, let me share my screen. 1 second. Okay, so this is yesterday's candle, which was nicer than we've had of recent days. Yeah, like a 90 pip range. Also, you can see potentially this might be a reversal area. It's just popped in here. It's a bullish engulfing. So actually, I'm potentially looking for bullish activity today, but it doesn't matter. We'll just trade the facts. But anyway, just to show you a good day. Like finally, we've had the volume of these days. Look at these days, like 30, 30, 60, and then like a lovely 90. So anyway, right. Well, let me show you my session. So what can you see? No. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So yeah, really good day. Couple of mistakes or things I need to work on. So yeah, so started at 1:30. Obviously, literally, I was a bit dubious, but sort of I logged in. Yeah, 1:30. Could see we were in this uptrend. I'll go to the full chart soon. And go back to it. Could see we're in an uptrend. Could see we were consolidating here. I think on the 5-minute, this might have been a fair value gap, but I'm not sure. But anyway, we just dipped under these lows. And then, yeah, we got this almost bullish engulfing candle. And that was my trigger to go in, basically. So went in, brilliant. A few minutes later, we got a real push to the top, smashed it. What's that? About 10 minutes. Lovely, great, up 2%. Beautiful. So now we're up at these highs and this big sell-off. So when I start to view the chart around here, I'm thinking, are we coming down? Because it certainly looks like that. Because look, we're making very slightly lower lows and lower highs. If you could draw that out, I mean, this high is lower than that high. So, and then we get here and that's lower. So, and that was such a massive sell-off on the 5-minute chart because some of my notes are from the 5-minute chart. Obviously, they're still here on this is the 1-minute, which I use to review because it's just got more detail, and I use to enter as well. Anyway, we came up. This was a fair value gap. This was the top of the fair value gap on the 5-minute. Also, just like a clear midway section. Anyway, got this lovely shooting star. So I think I saw that. I think I still wait. Well, I did because I went in here saw the chop, saw that, finally got that. Well, I'm got that. We pushed down, but it was so grindy, and I think this scared me here. I think I put this line in. Where are we? Yeah, because we've had this candle. We've got these lows here. So I put this in, and I thought, with this candle here, I got pretty concerned. It was very, very choppy, very messy. I had my doubts basically. So this blue line here is where I cut the trade at 0.5R. And then it kept going down. I was like, oh, well, yeah, was my trade in there? I don't think I entered there. But anyway, I probably entered here. I'm sure I entered here. But anyway, came down. So I start to now see, it's like patterns within patterns. So you can almost see a head and shoulders here. Because you've got this hammer, this big, like, doji, I forget what that's called, a hanging man or something. Not a hanging man. Anyway, that hammer, these massive wicks, these wicks, because we're seeing this wick, and this wick. I think, this is a rounded bottom. Rounded bottom stroke head and shoulders. Inverted head and shoulders. So anyway, thought that along with this rising support line makes a lot of sense to push up to the upside. Went in, and because I'd cut this, I had 0.5R. This was my mistake of the day. I just set this to 1.5R because that would be a 4% win for the day, which is great. But that's not good trading, in my opinion. That is complete. Like, this shouldn't matter. All that should matter is the logic of the trade. And me thinking, oh, I've already done like 3.5%, just a little bit more. It's just not healthy. And to show you, so that, yeah, so to go down to the 1 minute, I've added them in. So we got, yeah, here. So this was it. Just to show what then happened. Very sideways, really. Like, it wasn't, I don't know. Look at it. I'm just up and downing it. Yeah. But yeah, see, so that was where I cut it, this trade here. So I cut it there, obviously, but I should have just stayed on because, fucking hell, because we could have had 9. We could have had. Not that we would, because I'd always stop at 2. But I mean, it was cautious. I'm not sure. I just think you've got to fucking commit. You've got to accept the loss. It wasn't bad. I mean, we made 4% at the end. Great day. I won't linger. But do you see what I mean? Like, this trade should not be dictated by what's happened previously. You just go with it, accept the loss, and that way you should end up making more money. But, you know, I was also reducing my risk if it turned around. I'm not mad at it. Fair play. 4%, great. Anyway, that's that. Please, if anyone watches this, drop me a comment or something, because, you know, it's cold out here. It'd be good to chat. I'd love to, like, help. I want to eventually be able to help other people, and I'm not going to charge for it. But that'll be one day. But if you want to chat or want any help, if I can, give me a shout. All right, top.